your boy Audio. Thanks for tuning in. Hit the like button, subscribe. I'm coming, bringing y'all some more heat, some more fire, and a banger. Let's go. Now, I'm kind of late on this shoe, but that's okay because I got the shoe last week during a special, I guess, Adidas reboot of some Yeezys, right? So with, no further ado, let's bring it in. You see the box. You see the box. You see the 700, baby. And no, this is not the MV, whatever, that Yeezy. That's not this. This is, as you see, 10 and a half. That's my size. Man, can you see that? So, for, let's do it. Oh, yeah. Another Yeezy exclusive banger, baby. And I'm late on this shoe. This shoe actually came out in September 2019, so last year. You know what I'm saying? And like I said, I was just chilling. I was looking for some restocks of the Concord. No, it was the grapes. That's what I was waiting on. I was waiting for a restock of the grapes, the Jordan 5s. And this has popped up Adidas, like, hey, exclusive access, yada, 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 whatever, and boom, got it. This was what I went for, right? Man, look at this. So I'm guessing this is supposed to be like this on this shoe. And I gotta tell you, this is a nice, this is actually, I like this midsole. You know what I'm saying? I like the way this is actually put together. Look at the bottom. Look at that right there. Real nice. This is actually, this is probably a good walking shoe. This is probably a good walking shoe, right? So you see the way this is up in here. Running shoe. This could probably be a running shoe. This reflective chocolate gray. See the suede on it. Good. Okay, so you got the suede on here. Oh, and by the way, baby, if you see the tag, you know it's real. So this is a size 10 and a half. So this is, okay, so check this out. This is the Yeezy 700 Magnet, right? So this shoe right here resell for $300. Total after taxes $318. I'm looking at this shoe, and this shoe actually, if you're a reseller, this shoe has value. You can take a look at, no, matter of fact, I'm not even going to even mention that other company. I'm not going to even mention them. You can look at Stadium Goods or GOAT prices. That's the companies you reference, right? Because most of their shoes, no, I'm going to say it's almost a 99.9% guarantee, because nothing in life is 100%, that the shoes you get from GOAT and Stadium Goods will be real shoes. So I referenced their resale prices, and then I came with my own resale price. This shoe, the value of the shoe is going to grow. Right now, I'm gonna say, if you have this shoe, dead stop. Listen, do not lowball yourself. Raise your price. This shoe could hit $600, right? Actually, this shoe right now on the GOAT and Stadium Goods go for about $5, well, depending on the size also. So we'll say from $500 to $700. This is a size 10.5, $600, baby. If you out there, you got your shoes out there for sale, stop undercutting the value of the shoe just so you can make a quick buck. Get the value, get the price, go for it. $600. Oh, another thing I want to point out, so you see on the inside of the shoe, Yeezy, right? ADIDAS on the bottom. Also up on the top, I don't know if you can see, but where is that? No, in there, it say Yeezy on the inside right here. Got Yeezy print on the inside. This is a dope shoe. I'm not gonna do an on foot of this shoe because I'm actually going to put this up for sale. Selling the shoe. So, yo, thanks for checking out the video. If you already haven't, don't forget to like and subscribe. Your subscription helps feed a child in need. No, for real. 4 kids, man. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the like button. Tell a friend, share, talk about me. Let's joke around. Hit me on Instagram, Kits and Audio. Let's get it. Network, baby. Sorry, no on foot.